Hey, my name is C.H. Ramnavarma and I am now representing my team to present my group project, that is e-commerce website, and my group includes Bokka Lohit and Vatta Gopinath. We are all from CSC branch of Vishnu of Technology, and our e-commerce project contains of two main folders, that is backend and frontend. Let let me explain backend folder. It includes these several packages: Bicryptages for hashing the password for storing in the database, Cloudinary for managing the image storages, that is file storages, cookie parser for parsing the cookies, .env for storing the sensitive information, and JWT for generating JSON web token, and this is the database package, and this is dependency for that is nodemon. Let me explain that is there is the structure, controllers, routes, models, middleware, and library. This is the entry point of the backend. These are the routes we are going to use it, that is API auth, products, cart analytics, delivery. Okay, now it app is listening in the port that is here, which is in .env folder. Next, let me go to the routes. These are the routes for getting, these are the middlewares, that is protect route and admin route. Here we can see the codes of the product routes and admin routes. This is for the checking of the access token, which is correct or not. Okay, and the admin route is for checking the user role, correct, that is admin or not. Okay, next. Okay, this is the authentication route. This is cart route, which has the product route as middleware, and this is the delivery route. Product route has middleware. This product route product route thus has admin route has a middleware for some routes, that is for creating or toggling the future product. Our website has so includes the feature of adding the future products for a certain products. So for also deleting the product. And next, let me show controllers. It is so we're getting analytics data, that is total number of users and total number of products. And next, okay, this is for generating tokens. Here we are going to use using JWT design, that is JSON web token. Next, we are going to set that cookies, and this is the sign up controller. These are we are going to check whether user already exists or not. Otherwise, we are going to generate the tokens and we are going to set the cookies, and we are going to send the status. And in case of login, the same happens, but we are going to compare the password that is already hashed in the database. Next, login which clears the cookies. When it comes to, okay, we are using access token and refresh token. See, this is because when we are going to make the access token expires in 15 minutes, after that we are going to refresh the access token, that is we are going to change the access token. So that is what refresh token is needed. Okay, that is here. Next, we are going to get profile, that is we are going to just send the middle request.user, which we are going to get from the middleware, that is here. Okay, Here we are going to see the next, that is what we are here. After this we are going to send this user request user. After that we are going to do this next, so that the cart pages, here we can see this has middleware, so that's why we are going to use request.user. Okay. Okay, next add to cart, get cart products. Okay, remove all from carts, update quantity, checkout cart. These are the several methods, these are the several functions in the cart controller. And next, get delivery items. Okay, okay. Get delivery items with respect to the user. That is what we are going to see here, which we are going to get from the middleware, that is start user. Next, if the role is admin, we are going to get him all the products, and he also has the ability to interact with it, that is to mark it as a delivery, or just wait, just make it in the pending, just stay it in the pending process, or whether we are going to add a delivery item which is also for the both admin and customer role, so there is no checking of the role here. Next, let me go to the other controller JS. Okay, here, which we are going to get the get all products, this get feature products. Here get create a product. Okay, here we are using the cloudinary. Okay, okay. Cloudinary package, which we are that which is an which image and video upload platform, is for fast scalable media management, store, transform, optimize and delivery media with powerful API, intuitive and user. Okay, this is what cloudinary mean to be. And next, okay, and we delete the product. Okay, okay. We are also going to destroy it in the cloudinary, so there will be no extra space that will be allocated to the deleted images. Get products by category, we're going to check the products with the category. Okay, right, this is going to feature. Okay, and here for toggle future product, we are going to just toggle the true or false, that is boolean value, and this is the middleware as I said. And next, the library, that is this is cloudinary JS. We are going to get the variables from the .env file, that is here, that is cloud name API key secret. We can just can find it in the Cloudinary website if you log in with our account. And next, we are going to connect database with it. This is the Mongo URL which we are going to get after creating the cluster in the MongoDB. And when it comes to database, we have three models, that is user model. We are going to write the user schema for creating a user model, that is of name. Another is email, password, the cart items. Okay, there is a role. The one is role, which is default could be the customer. And next, the product schema. Okay, I said name, description, price, image, category is featured, that is the boolean value. Okay, next, delivery schema, which are going to have product ID, user ID, the status, whether it is pending or the delivered. This is what the backend says about. And this is the MongoDB database, which we don't have zero items at present. Thus I have created an user. This is the user. Okay. Now let me explain the front end part and everything that is going to be in the source directory, that is here. The components, library, pages, store, and the update JSS main JSS, which is the entry point for the this is the entry point for the front end actually, and which is connected to the main.jsx. And here this is the component that is going to come from the app.jsx, which is where we are using the React router term for routing towards the several paths, that is this one, sign up login. It is going to be, this is going to be visible only if it is the user role is admin, that is the secrets dashboard. Okay, not visible actually, it can route towards this one only if it is the user role is admin. And this is the category, and this is the dynamic thing that is here. Next, card delivery. If anything that is not in this route paths has been searched in the browser, then it is going to take back to the nav slash, that is going to be home page. And next, let me show the stores. These are the stores which are usually created using Justand. It is state management, global state management package. Okay, here we are going to use the create for creating the methods, and axios, that is the for using the routes that were created in the backend. Those are these are here. Okay, this one, yeah, created here. So okay, let me show them. Okay, this is the use cart store which has the global cart things here, that is get cart items, clear cart, add to cart, remove cart, update cart, which are basically the functions that are going to fetch the items from the backend, and which are going to store in the global position of the total front end, and which are going to be used by the components of the front end. Hmm. That is what the real juice stand really means. The alternative for the juice stand is actually Redux toolkit. This, and this is the product store. We are going to create product, fetch all products, and next delete product, fetch products by category, toggle featured products, fetch future products. Okay, user store which includes login, sign up. These are the things. Checkout. This is what why we are going to use checkout here. Why we are going to use, when we refresh, it is going to check whether the user role, whether user is login or not, which will then the pages will be determined whether it is going to be in the already login page or the home page which need to be login. Okay, right. Next, when it comes to pages, we are going to have the admin page, that is here. Okay, which does have admin dashboard. Okay, create the products which is visible, all products, analytics, deliveries. Okay, next, cart page, which are going to be shown the order summary and empty cart. This is what which will be shown in the demo. These things no found. Home page, this is the home page, and this is login page. This is the sign up page, right? Next, the library is the axios.js. Okay, right. This is the analytics tab, fetching the analytics for the admin role. This is the cart item component. This one, category item, create product form. This is the form. Here we are using motion, framer motion for the animations of the elements and components in the front end bar. Delivery admin. Okay, loading spinner, so you're going to use it in between the fetching these processes are doing. So in the case of await, and we're going, the load spinner acts as a intermediate between the pages. Order summary. Next, let me show the components. Okay. Axios used to make HTTP requests from a browser or Node.js environment. It simplifies the process of sending synchronous request to a server and handling responses. Okay. Now this is a framework motion which is going to be used for the animations of the components and the okay. Then Lucid Reacts is the component library of the icons and etc. Yet Confetti special effects user for special effects. Till now I did not use it. It is for future purposes actually. React DOM, as we know, React Hot Toast is for toastifying the messages as used, and as I said, it is global state management. So there are some dependencies, ESLint and etc. Tier 1 CSS. Okay, right. Let me show the demo of the project. Have run the backend and front end here, and this is okay. This is the home page. Okay, let me log in. Okay, let me sign up first. Okay, now okay, this is going to be tester 2. Okay, right. Okay, here is this is the list. No deliveries found actually. Okay, there are no home page. Okay, let me create the product first so he can see the products here. So let me go to the I have already signed up as I have created already a admin. That is what its email address is. So we created. So this is the admin's homepage. That is here. When we click here, there is a secret dashboard, and these are the products. There is no product, so there is nothing visible. So there are no deliveries found. There are two users, including the admin and the customer. And next, let me create a product and bag, right? A good bag price this type of number, so we can't rather than number. So next, bags, upload image. Okay, we upload some image. Okay, uh, so product has been created. You can see it here. So this is the product. We can change the future product like this, or we can also delete the product here. Let me create another product. Okay, suit, black suit. The price could be of $5. Next to it, t-shirt, sorry, suits, and upload image. Yeah, I am just uploading a random image. Okay, okay. Now there are two, and I'm going to see it through the customers actually. Customer, user. Okay, yeah, there is the bag. Okay, let me add it to the cart. Product added to cart. We can see that is what the React Hot Toastify does. It is going to show the toast messages. Okay, the product added to cart as well. Okay, now there are two products in the cart. Let me check out successful deliveries created. Okay, now let me go to the deliveries page, and if you refresh, the cart space will be empty. So the deliveries we have just these just for the cash on delivery. So I did not implemented any that is, okay, let me do this. If we mark as delivery, it is going to be marked as delivery. So next, now let me show how does the future products work here. Okay, here we can see the project products which are in the carousel. So this is how what it is going to be. Website, the website. Okay, let me show the analytics and crypto. Yeah, thank you.